doing, we're going to upgrade these all these lights on this thing now. Like these front work lights are like candles in the wind, they are. So we're going to get all the work lights on it, and there's, what's there, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, there's 14 work lights on it, and headlights as well. Now with the headlights, you'll see we've got the square type bull bars on these, which means you've got to have the lights in the vertical position. Now let's put the LED ones on. I'm going to get the upgraded, sort of updated ones that went on the 3230s. And well, you'll see in a sec, but basically the bar goes up in a triangle instead. And that allows you to have the headlights horizontal, so the indicator's on the outside. So we'll be able to see where we're going then. Right, so these are all the lights we've got to upgrade the fast track. So we've got 8 Thomas LED work lights. These are going to go around the top of the cab, all 8 of them. I've got some eBay specials here, just as a comparison. They're quite a funky looking light. So we'll see what they're like. 4 of them. And then we've got some UTV lighting ones. These are going to go 2 in the bull bar, 2 at the front of the cab, at the bottom, and 2 on the rear mud guards. And then of course we've got some UTV lighting LED headlight upgrades. Let's have a quick pictures of these. They come in their own custom box. That tells you what one instruction if not already using a ready wired connection, so it tells you what does what, but we should be plug and play in theory. Look at them, they're smart they are, aren't they? Very tidy. So these are the lights that are going on the fast track. We've got Thomas LED, these are HP5-60s, 60 degree angle of light, 5 LEDs. These have got a plug direct in the back of the light. Mega heavy they are, really heavy, you can just feel the quality in them. They come with the little Euro connector with a fly lead. We've then got the UTV products. These are very similar style light, oval type light to the Thomases. Again, these are slightly different in the fact they've got they are wired up with a fly lead, and then they've got the you get a socket and a male with another fly lead on, so you've got a lot of options with them. Mounting brackets go on the back, decent mounting bracket for them. The Thomas, you've got bottom mount on that, but you also can get like I've got side mount adapter plates as well, so you change that and turns it into a side mount, which is a good idea. Then we've got well, these are off Amazon, but I dare say you can get them off eBay as well, that sort of thing. Cheap Chinese lights, I mean these, yeah, that weighs about like 3 feathers, about that much. Really decent amount of light output, but what's the longevity of them going to be? Not too sure. I mean, the build quality is nowhere near the UTV and the Thomas, that is a sure fact, but we'll see how they perform. Right, so behind me for test, we've obviously got the JCB Fast Track, which has got UTV products, LED lights on it, Thomas LED lights, and a pair of Amazon stroke eBay LED lights on it. We've got the TW, which has got LED lights on the front, halogens on the rear. We've got the New Holland T7, which has got factory installed LED lights, and we've got the JCB Agri Pro loader, which again has got factory installed LED lights. Now we're going to be measuring these all individually to see the light output with a proper lux meter, which basically measures the lux output or the candle power, depending on how old you are, pretty much. Interestingly, you can do that with your phone as well, so we will just not double check, but we'll see how accurate the phone is whilst we're using the professional lux meter. So let there be light. So this top-down view with the drone gives you a really good indication of the light output of each machine. Starting with the fast track on the right, you can see front and rear. It gives the biggest light output pattern. Like the TW doesn't really make much of an inroads front or rear, especially rear. You can see the plough on the back of the TW is barely lit up, like, and very dull there, a lot of shadows. The New Holland T7 to the left of the TW, they're respectable light outputs, but nothing, it doesn't match the UTV and Thomas LED lights on the fast track. You can see easily the light output on the fast track is twice the amount of the New Holland. And then you've got the JCB Agri Pro on the left, which has got good all-round lighting. Apart from, you can see where the driver's door would be. You've got a dark spot there, but other than that, very good all-round lighting on the Lodal there. You could probably say the same about the fast track. Not much side lighting, but to be fair, none of the lights are set up for sidewards. Set up for sidewards illumination. They're all front and rear. So, but you can, as you can quite easily see, the fast track with the aftermarket LEDs on is far and beyond the most powerful. Right, we're still 10 metres in front of the fast track at the minute, and we are getting anything from 525 lumens up to 648. Right, we're 10 metres in front of the TW, and we're getting 170, 180 lumens. Yeah, about 180 lumens, so that is not bad. Well, I'm not exactly sure if you can see me or not, but I'm 10 metres behind the TW now with the halogen work lights on, and we are getting 4 lumens. That's all we're getting. Right, we're 10 metres in front of the T7 now, and we're getting 220, about 260 lumens. 243 now. Right, we're 10 metres in front of the Agri Pro now, and we are 120 lumens. Right, now as you'd probably expect, the T7 and the fast track have got the highest lumen count. So what I've done is I've walked out to 50 metres in front now, and we'll just do a test, see what the light output is here. Now, I'm in front of the T7 at the minute, and we have got 12 lumens, but the thing is, it's a quite concentrated beam with the T7. Basically all of the long range light off it is coming off the main beam, which is running. Obviously the work lights themselves are very short range, really are, as we saw from the drone shot really. But you can tell immediately really by how well I'm illuminated. On the same distance as I was from the T7, 50 metres in front of the fast track, and we are getting 58, 57 lumens, 56, 60, 55, loads more light output. I mean, just tons of it, like. But not just in a narrow beam like the T7 was. This is, even though all my work lights are projecting forward, it's giving a nice big wide beam of lovely light. I mean, as you can see, it's just like the sun, isn't it really? It's just a mass of lights. Really, really impressive amount of light. Right, so what has our little test told us? Well, basically aftermarket LED lights are better than manufacturer fitted lights, at least on a JCB loader and a New Holland T7. Now, nighttime illumination is never done justice on video, but suffice to say, there's a huge amount of light out there, really is. Right, so I'm well chuffed. It gives the tractor a more modern look. It's probably tripled the light output. So if you're looking for a set of replacement lights for your tractor, your combine, your loader, your sprayer, whatever, I highly recommend these UTV product LED lights and the Thomas LED lights. I mean, I've been using the Thomas LED lights for a number of years now, so I really know the longevity on them is very good. Like, I've not had one fail or the paint fade or anything like that on them. UTV product LEDs are new to me, but they're of a very high standard, so I've got, you know, no worries at all really about how they'll perform. But we will revisit this in, you know, I'll keep you updated with how they perform over the next few years, including the Amazon and eBay lights, which I don't hold out much hope for, but there we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video and found it quite informative. And anyway, it's knocking on now. I'm going to go and find my bed. Catch you later. Ta-ta!